Have you ever imagined a world where you can teleport to any place in the blink of an eye? Or perhaps converse with an artificial intelligence that understands your emotions as well as a human? What if I told you that many of these technologies, which seem straight out of science fiction movies, could actually become reality? In today's video, we'll explore 10 fictional technologies that could truly work and transform our lives in unimaginable ways. And now, the future. Teleportation. Ever thought about being in a country on the other side of the world in the blink of an eye? Teleportation, popularized by the Star Trek franchise, has fascinated scientists and science fiction enthusiasts for decades. The idea of disintegrating an object or person in one place and instantly reconstructing them in another seems pure fantasy, but quantum mechanics offers a glimpse of possibility. Research on quantum entanglement, where interconnected particles share information instantaneously, suggests that data transmission could be feasible. Successful experiments have already been conducted with quantum teleportation of particles, though teleporting larger objects and humans remains beyond our current technological capability. However, as science advances, this fictional technology could become a practical reality, revolutionizing transportation and global communication. How do you think teleportation would change the world? What would be the positive and negative impacts? Time travel. What if you could go back in time and witness the construction of the pyramids of Egypt or see the future 1,000 years from now? Time travel, immortalized in films like Back to the Future, explores the intriguing possibility of moving through temporal dimensions. Based on Einstein's theories of relativity, the idea suggests that under extreme conditions such as near light speed or using wormholes, time travel could be feasible. Some theoretical physicists believe these conditions could theoretically allow for travel to the past or future. Though still a purely theoretical concept fraught with complex paradoxes like the grandfather paradox, ongoing exploration of space-time properties could lead to surprising discoveries. Achieving this technology could fundamentally alter our understanding of the universe and existence itself. If you could time travel, which historical period or future era would you visit? Why? Interactive holograms. Imagine having a work meeting with colleagues from around the world, all appearing as three-dimensional holograms in your living room. Interactive holograms, primarily known from Star Wars, promise to revolutionize communication and entertainment. Holographic technology is already in development, with companies creating three-dimensional projections viewable from different angles. Combining this technology with augmented reality interfaces and motion sensors could lead to the creation of interactive and responsive holograms. A future is envisioned where virtual meetings, music concerts, and even classes could be conducted using real-time holograms, creating a more immersive and realistic experience. As technological advancements continue, the accessibility and applicability of interactive holograms are becoming increasingly tangible, promising to change how we interact with the digital world. How would you use interactive holograms in your daily life? What would be the most interesting applications for you? Cyborgs. What if you could enhance your body with advanced technology, gaining strength, enhanced vision, or even heightened mental abilities? The idea of cyborgs, popularized by films like RoboCop, is becoming increasingly plausible thanks to advances in bionics and the integration of electronic devices with the human body. Smart prosthetics that respond to neural signals are already helping amputees regain lost functions, and cochlear implants are restoring hearing to the hearing impaired. Research in brain-machine interfaces is opening even more advanced possibilities, such as controlling external devices with thought. As this technology advances, the line between human and machine will blur, potentially transforming medicine and how we conceive our biology. In the future, fully functional cyborgs could be a common reality, enhancing quality of life and expanding human capabilities. Would you be willing to become a cyborg? What kind of improvements would you like to have? Fully immersive virtual reality. Imagine stepping into a virtual world where everything feels as real as the physical world, where you can live adventures, learn new skills, or even work. Fully immersive virtual reality, inspired by The Matrix, aims to create virtual experiences indistinguishable from reality. Currently, advanced virtual reality devices combined with high-definition graphics and three-dimensional audio systems already provide considerable immersion. Research in direct neural interfaces, where devices interact directly with the brain, is underway and promises to take the experience to a new level. Imagine a world where you can live adventures, learn new skills, or even work in a virtual environment that looks and feels like the real world. This technology will revolutionize not only entertainment, but also have applications in education, professional training, and medical therapy. The era of fully immersive virtual reality is approaching, opening up a new horizon of possibilities. What kinds of experiences would you like to have in a fully immersive virtual reality? Do you believe it could replace real-life experiences? Conscious artificial intelligence. What if you could converse with a machine that understands your emotions and thoughts as well as a human? Conscious artificial intelligence, as depicted in Ex Machina, is one of the most intriguing and potentially transformative fields of modern technology. Creating machines that not only perform tasks but also possess self-awareness and emotions is at the forefront of advanced AI research. With rapid progress in deep learning and neural networks, scientists are increasingly close to developing systems that can learn, adapt, and interact in complex and human-like ways. However, the question of ethics and control over such intelligences remains a significant concern. If achieved, conscious AI could revolutionize industries from healthcare to financial services, but would also bring unique challenges in terms of rights, security, and social integration. Do you think conscious AI should have rights? How do you envision the coexistence between humans and conscious machines? Spacecraft with warp drive. What if you could travel to distant star systems in a matter of days? Warp drive propulsion, popularized by Star Trek, suggests the possibility of traveling faster than light by manipulating the fabric of space-time itself. Based on Einstein's general theory of relativity, this theoretical technology implies creating a bubble of space-time around a spacecraft, allowing it to move at superluminal speeds without violating the laws of physics. Preliminary research, such as that conducted by NASA, is exploring the feasibility of this concept. If developed, this technology could revolutionize space exploration, enabling interstellar travel and the colonization of distant planets. Achieving this science fiction dream would usher in a new era for humanity, expanding our horizons beyond the solar system. If we had spacecraft with warp drive, which planet or star system would you like to visit? What do you hope to find there? Medical nanotechnology. Imagine tiny robots navigating through your body, curing diseases and repairing cellular damage. Medical nanotechnology, inspired by the film Fantastic Voyage, involves using nanorobots to perform diagnostics and treatments directly within the human body at the cellular level. These tiny devices could, for example, navigate through the bloodstream to identify and destroy cancerous cells, repair damaged tissues, or deliver drugs precisely and controllably. Significant advances are already being made in creating nanomaterials and drug delivery systems based on nanoparticles. In the future, medical nanotechnology promises to revolutionize medicine, making treatments more effective, less invasive, and with fewer side effects. This technology could prolong human life and significantly improve quality of life for millions worldwide. How would you feel about having nanorobots inside your body for medical treatment? What diseases do you think could be eliminated with this technology? Force fields. What if you could protect your home or car with an invisible barrier against any attack? Force fields, often seen in Star Wars, are invisible barriers that could protect people or objects from physical and energy-based attacks. Current physics is beginning to explore the feasibility of creating such fields using plasma technologies and intense magnetic fields. In theory, a force field could deflect projectiles or dissipate energy from impacts, becoming a valuable tool for both military and civilian applications. Researchers are investigating ways to generate and control these fields in the laboratory, aiming to develop practical defensive shields. If successful, force fields could revolutionize security and defense, providing effective protection against a variety of threats and creating new possibilities for engineering and construction. In what situations do you think force fields would be most useful? Would you like to have a force field to protect your home? Matter converters. Ever thought about turning garbage into food or creating any object you need with a simple command? Inspired by Star Trek replicators, Matter converters could transform basic raw materials into complex and functional objects. This technology would be based on precise manipulation of atoms and molecules to create anything from food and clothing to electronic devices. 3D printing is already a step in this direction, allowing the manufacturing of objects from simple materials. Future innovations in atomic-level matter manipulation could lead to machines capable of printing any desired object. This technology would revolutionize manufacturing, eliminating the need for complex supply chains and drastically reducing waste. Matter converters could democratize production, allowing individuals to create what they need, when they need it, transforming the global economy and consumption patterns. If you had a matter converter at home, what would you create first? How would this technology change your lifestyle?